Today we have a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Parents Clash with Police Over Grown Son's Drunken Restaurant Meltdown.
A drunk man was asked to leave the store. Instead, he tried to fight the cops and got what was coming.
Hi, how's it going? How you doing?
Yeah,
What's going on?
nothing. I'm just chilling.
Okay, well you can't chill in here if you're not buying anything. You definitely can't have an open container of liquor, and you got to put your shoes back on.
All right,
They don't want you hanging out here, okay?
I understand.
Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna stay right here.
They don't want you here. You just told me. So where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna stay right here, please.
You can't stay right
please stay
here.
here.
You can't stay right here. So go ahead and put your shoes on.
Huh?
Put your shoes on.
He more than drunk, boy. This guy is cooked.
I'm just gonna stay right here.
Well, you can't stay right here.
I understand.
They called us, and he just told me that he doesn't want you here anymore.
No, I'm gonna stay right here.
I'm gonna go talk to him about it, and whatever he says goes, because he's the manager here, okay? Do you have your ID on you?
Of course not.
How you doing, sir?
You.
Thanks.
Yeah, I know. You.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Yeah, I know.
Why would you
Yeah,
say
I'm
that?
sure you know.
Well,
He just came up and asked you how you were doing.
my name is David.
I asked him if he had his ID on him.
I'm sorry.
Do you have your wallet? Do you have your ID in it?
I don't have it. I'll be apologize and
Okay, spell your last name for me.
him.
No,
He
stop.
needs to go elsewhere.
He doesn't have to
No,
go
I don't.
anywhere.
Yes, you do.
No, I do not.
Stop.
You better sit down. Sit down.
Listen,
Get
stop.
your hands off me.
Guess what?
Stop.
Jenkins, give me his other hand.
Okay. Let go.
Nope, I'll let him go.
Why are you fighting? Stop.
Okay.
Why did you do that?
Because this guy's a f***ing asshole.
What did he do? He came over and asked how you were doing. That's it. Let's go. Get up.
Yeah, come on. You're gonna pay for this.
Oh, yeah? Why are you tensing up? Come on.
If you could give us just a moment.
Yep. Get out of our way, please. Can you move out of our way?
We're father and mother fluid, all right? What's that? We're father and mother.
Okay, well, he just tried to punch my buddy here, so.
Yeah, he just stood up and put his hands on me, so no, he's going to jail.
He's not going to jail.
Yes, he is, ma'am.
He
just stood up and put his hands on me.
seizures.
Back up. Back
He
up.
ran out of his medicine. You understand?
Back up. I'll talk to you in a second.
You're going to
Back
abuse a
up.
handicapped person. I'm
Okay,
going to sue
please
the
let
cop.
my
But he's
hands go.
handicapped. Yes.
He has
All I
seizures.
did was walk in there and ask how he was doing. He said,
Man, I see the problem right now. These parents, they probably about, golly, they gotta be probably in their 70s, man. And their kid, they have been babying this kid, this guy, this grown man, ever since he was a baby. Okay? Ever since he was a baby. Golly. Ma'am, he is a grown man. And he just tried to hit an officer. So we had to get him together. That's what happened.
to me twice.
Because
And then
he's
when-
not
let me
into
finish.
it.
Let me finish. As my partner was trying to talk to him, he looks at me, he says, again, stands up and puts his hands on me. Do you understand what that is? It's called battery on law enforcement. He's going to jail.
Sir,
What?
he's handicapped.
Doesn't
What are you
matter.
doing a
He didn't need to
handicapped?
put his hands on me. All I did was walk in
He
and ask how he was
wouldn't have done that on
doing.
purpose. If I go and
Well, he
touch your
clearly
arm,
just
what are you
did.
going to do to me?
But it's battery on law enforcement, so
What if
stay
it
away
was your
from
kid?
it.
What if it
My
was your
kid, my kid wouldn't be putting hands on cops.
Anything in your pocket or in your...
Oh, ma'am, I do not.
My kid wouldn't be putting hands on
Back
cops.
up. back up.
We will come
We will
You're
explain.
taking our son.
Sir, since you're listening to me and she's yelling at me, please back up. We will explain everything y'all in just a second.
Please
Okay?
let us deal with the first thing that told me I'm worried.
Back up.
We didn't do anything. We were talking to him and he stood up and tried to fight us.
I didn't try to do anything. So please just be kind to me.
He ran out of his medicine. You understand? He's got very high blood pressure. He's
Man,
got
she
epilepsy
never-
seizures that even had it work. Banged his head, bleeding in the brain twice.
Okay. He's in a business drinking, getting publicly intoxicated. All the business was asking
But
was
they
have
sell
us.
the
Let me
alcohol.
finish.
Yes. Okay.
All the business wanted to do, because he was getting intoxicated in there, was have us come in and ask him to leave. As my partner was talking to him, I showed up, again, asked him how he was doing. He said to me twice. I stopped talking to him, didn't pursue any further conversation. As my partner was trying to gain him more information from him, he looked at me, said you again, stood up, and then put his hands out on me.
All right.
So again, battery on law
I
enforcement.
understand the thing, but I don't think he realized you were a cop.
Ma'am.
He would not have done that.
My partner and I both are in full uniform, wearing a badge.
Yeah, he must have went and got some booze.
Oh, he definitely did. I mean, there's a big old bottle of it in there.
Thank you for coming out.
Yes, absolutely.
Is there anything I need to fill out for you guys or anything?
Did you ask him to leave?
Yes.
How many times?
I asked him once.
One time to leave? How long ago was
And I did
that?
ask- When he was on the floor, I asked him to stop sleeping on the floor. Then earlier I caught him drinking on the cameras. I recorded it on my phone. Then I think 5 to 10 minutes later, I caught him drinking again, recorded that. Then he came over, told him he has to leave. Yeah, while we were waiting, he just kept drinking more times. So
Okay. Have you ever seen him before?
no.
No.
I was
So-
saying I haven't seen him. We get homeless around here.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen him since.
He's not homeless.
Okay.
So what time?
Nah, yeah, he's not homeless. I mean, his mom is still breastfeeding him. So he's still on the nipple, man. So he been on the nipple his whole life. I could already tell. The father, he got a little bit more sense with him, you know what I mean? But the mom is just, she's bad, man.
When did he get here?
Probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours ago.
Ma'am, he got up in an aggressive manner,
But if
came
you
at
say
me and
he's
put his hands out
intoxicated,
on
he
me.
did not know what he was doing.
It doesn't matter.
I think it
Even
does.
when we're intoxicated, we still have some understanding of what we're doing.
No, we don't. No, we don't. We forget it.
Okay, you can argue that
I
with me
know
all day
if you-
long. If you want my name and badge number, I'll give that information to you. You can also
Just
request my
asking
body
you to
cam
have
footage to
mercy.
see what
He's
happened.
handicapped. I'm just asking you.
I can
He
understand
did
those
not know
concerns.
you were an officer. You cannot
Ma'am,
hold
I'm in
him.
full uniform. If I was wearing like a t-shirt and shorts and a backwards cap,
But they
then I'd
don't see
understand.
that. But they don't see
Can I
that.
go in there to see if he left the cap there or something?
Are you talking about like a baseball cap?
Yeah.
I think there's something wear in there. My partner's handling that right now, okay? I gotta stay out here with him and make
What
sure he's
jail is he
okay.
going to be in?
I can get the address for you in a second.
Please.
Okay?
So does he live with you guys?
Yes.
Okay, well, he's been here for about 2 hours drinking, and they keep asking him to leave. So they called law enforcement, and I walked up and I said, "Hey, we gotta go. You gotta get out of here." And he said, "No, I don't. I'm gonna stay right here." And he was being sweet about it. And then my partner rolled up and was like, "Hey, man, what's going on?" And he's like, "You," and all this stuff. And then we were like, we got him calmed down again. He was being sweet again, and then he stood up and attacked him. So, yeah, I'm gonna bring these with him.
Ma'am, I just wanted to apologize on behalf of what happened here.
You don't need to apologize. I understand your job, but
I
I'm just
know,
saying
it's-
we have to have a heart. They don't know what they're doing when they're in that
No,
position.
you got to get off.
Listen, I've
You
been
got
in
to
my
stop.
fair share of
He would've
mental health
never
calls where
done
people
that.
are not mentally there, but given what happened, he was being completely
Yeah, but-
aggressive.
Yeah, you got to stop spoon feeding them. That's what you got to stop doing.
If they were coherent, they would not have.
Why the hell is he still living with you as a grown? Because he got seizures? I mean, come on,
that.
man.
I understand.
They don't mean to hit you, and that's a bad thing now. He's got 2 child supports to do. He's got to get to work, get a job.
Has he been having issues with drinking? Your husband mentioned something along those lines, possibly having a drinking problem.
He drinks, but he goes a few months. He's okay, but if he doesn't eat, he hadn't had
It makes it
anything-
worse.
He hadn't had anything to eat today. I mean, you know what? I have a cocktail once in a while, you know.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to clear out of here then. Again, I'm sorry about everything that happened, but he may be able to bond out tonight and at least come home and then have to go to first appearance and go before a judge.
Okay.
So
the problem was this. Once he got that, he lost everything.
Yeah.
That's
it
the
creates
problem.
more problems than it solves, unfortunately.
That's the problem.
But before I get going, do y'all have any more questions for me?
No, I think that is all. Thank you so much for the address, and I'm sorry it happened. All right. Thank
Y'all
you.
take care, all right?
He
Yeah.
was charged with disorderly conduct and battery.
See, the father, honestly, the father's tired of his shit. You know, the father is probably so disappointed in him. He's like, man, this is my boy. I want him to grow up, be a man, and go out there, do his thing. And, you know, mama's just been, you know, breastfeeding him his whole life. And it's just like, man, it's just ridiculous, man. It's just ridiculous. You know, the dad, he got some common sense. You know, the mom, she's just beside herself, man. Entitled, you know, yeah. The whole nine. Either way, man, the officers, they did their job. They get a 5 from me. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.